Hi, Andy here again. I've got a client who's just taken delivery of a new WordPress website, and they're interested in installing a plugin called Yoast to help them with their site's search engine optimization. They've asked me how easy it is to install plugins, so I thought I'd record a quick video tutorial to show exactly how it's done. So first of all, I'm going to flick over into the dashboard. And from the menu on the left down here, I'm going to choose Plugins and Add New. So this whole section works a little bit like an app store where it lists plugins, what they do, how many people use them, what sort of ratings they get, that kind of thing. And over here in the right, you can actually search for whatever you want. I'm going to search for Yoast, which is the SEO plugin. And here we go, it's the top result. So I'm just going to click Install Now. Now, this is going to take a few seconds. Basically, what's happening is it's being copied from Yoast's web server over to this website's web server. And obviously, depending on the size of the plugin and what it does, some will happen very quickly, some will take a little bit longer. So we'll just give this a few seconds to do its thing. And there we have it. It's now installed on the site, and I just need to click Activate to turn it on. And what you'll now see is we've got new notifications up here at the top of the screen and an SEO section down here on the right. So there you have it, installing plugins, dead easy, dead quick, and something that any WordPress website owner should be able to do. Right, speak to you next time.